All right, in this tutorial, we're going to solve for a variable within an inequality statement and then graph that compound inequality statement. And both the examples we have today are the ORs, so they'll be moving away from each other while on the number line, but just remember that if you have that compound where it's one variable in between two inequalities, then your number line will be according to that where it's in between the two endpoints. So first thing we have to do is to isolate the variable, solve for f, plus 4 on both. So we have 15 less than or equal to 15, or add 9 to both sides. F is greater than 20. So greater than 20. Then less than or equal to 15. Just make sure that one is filled in solid. And this one is open, and they're moving away from each other. Now solving for this z plus 1 divided by 2 is greater than 4. You multiply by 2 on both sides. It's greater than 8 because 4 times 2 is 8. Then we subtract 1 to get z is greater than 7, or subtract 16 on both sides. Z is less than 4. So those are our two intervals. We're going to go to 7, circle open to the right because it's greater, then go to 4, circle open, go to the left because they're away from each other. So you will have different circles, whether it's closed or open, depending on that right there, if it's less than or equal to.